Okay guys, CPI is coming in. Just going to flick this back over onto the DAX. I am still looking to buy this. It has dropped, pushed this down into oversold. It's hitting this level now. So I'll be looking to buy this in just a second. Let me quickly see what the situation is. Okay. I want to let the first 5 minutes close. I want it to come down here, but we're going to be dropping a fib on this. So this 5 minute candle, here it is here. So it's down to there. It's looking pretty good. Let's get these indicators out the way so we can see what we're looking at. I am watching it on another screen as well. We're ready to go to market. We're going to pop one in now, bang, on this 50 mark. And then I'm going to look for it to get up to the red. But I'm also going to be buying it here and here. So let me pop them in, because I think that's about ready as well. So I'm going to drop the order in. So the order's there, ready for it. So I'm going to drop it on to there, and I'm going to pull that up onto here as well, just like so. And I want the 23 in. Now this is following the news, just like so. There we are. There's the pop, long leg. And I'm looking for this to go bang, straight up. Now I want to pick these up as best I can. And hopefully we'll get a few quid out of this. Okay. So I've got the second one in. See if we can get the third entry in. And then pop. Okay. Doing quite well with the, excellent. Right, there we go. Quite happy with that. So it looks like this will now retrace back on itself. Up over. Excellent. Right. That one, super duper. Right, okay, come on, slam it up, slam it up, slam it up. A little bit higher, a little bit higher, a little bit higher, a little bit higher. Come on, come on, you can do it. Touch higher. Okay, off we go, off we go. Right. Okay, it seems to be struggling a little bit. So we're just going to move these down onto the action point, which is here. Okay. Still holding okay. Come on. Up. Up. All right. Seems to be struggling a little bit. Maybe he's going to get about 150 quid if it pushes. Okay. Okay. Okay, seems to be struggling. There we go. Bingo, got you. Right, that's it. Could have held on for a little bit more, but it was pushing and pushing and pushing. So, all right, just wait. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the camera now, and I'll come back to you in a second when I go back to market. Yeah, I'll pause it now and I'll come back in maybe. Well, the question is, do I really need to go back to market? Who knows? Who knows? Yeah, I'll pause the camera and I'll come back. Okay guys, we're going to go back to market because it's popped the level and it's shown signs to the upper. So we're going to drop an order in here and we're going to follow this all the way up to here, which is where I think it'll go. And then I'm going to stage back against this lot, just the same as I would normally. So let's get that out the way. And we'll have a look. So I'll just drop in my extension to the base of there, cross, and then we'll put the extra orders in as we need them, just in case it pops back on itself and then I can get myself out of trouble. But it's rattling away now, quite happy. So I'm just going to drop that in up to there. Looking at something else while I'm undoing this as well, guys. Okay. Drop that up there. Bang. Okay. Right. So it's looking after itself. Quite happy with that. Just let it bounce along. So what I'll do is I'll just play it out and I'll come back to you at the end. Okay guys, it seems to be struggling a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look to kill off the top one, which is here. So there's 80 quid in the bag. We're not a million miles away. I think we'll look to kill this as well. So that's 80 quid in the bag. It'll be about 240. Come on. Up you go, up you go. Come on, pop that out. Popped it out, brilliant. There we go, 219 on that one. So that's 300 quid, kaboom, just like so. Now that was just planning. Oh, there we go. I need to remember to flick them tickets off. Make certain I've got none left. No, brilliant. Right, okay. So, what have we been doing here? Well, I knew CPI was coming in and it rattles through the indices simply because it affects the S&P 500 and that'll set the tone for the rest of them. Now, already in the video that I did prior, which you'll see it in the market updates in the Discord, you'll see I said I wanted to buy this thing. And I had to plan it out and just sit and wait. And the opportunity arose. It wasn't radically mental, which meant it isn't turning the market. So it just gave me an opportunity to get in at a better price. And as you've just seen, just over 300 quid in, well, let's see, it's 10 to 2 now. I started this process doing the first video not long after 1 o'clock. So 50 minutes, just over 300 quid. I can live with that. I don't think it's been a bad payday, to be honest. And that's all this is. You just get in, do what you have to do, and take your money. It's not difficult, guys. It really isn't. Anyway, there you go. So I'll keep doing these trades best I can, and hopefully some of it will resonate. Catch you all soon.